I have here today a very nice and interesting Lexus LS600. It's a hybrid vehicle which came in for engine non-starting issue. We thought it's something quite interesting in this. So this is a gearbox with hybrid motor, hybrid system, the connectors, and this is the input shaft. What we have found on it, this is quite interesting now to see, the coupling, which is sort of a clutch unit. It has slipping, and because of that the engine wouldn't start. So I was very interested to see that this is the new part, to see a sort of a clutch assembly on the hybrid system. Similar, it doesn't operate same as on the manual gearbox, but it's a similar coupling. Works pretty much on a similar way as a normal clutch will work, and we thought it's quite interesting to show a clutch unit on the hybrid system.